Hi everyone, in this quick guide I'll show you how to restore subscription billing in AWS by checking your payment settings. Start by moving your cursor over My Account in the top menu, then select Account Settings. Once you're on that page, you'll be inside the Billing and Cost Management section. From here, scroll down until you find Payment Preferences. Click into that area and you'll see the Payment Methods section. This is where all your saved payment options are listed. Now, here's something important to know. If your account only has one payment method on file and it's set as the default, AWS won't allow you to remove it. That's because at least one active payment method is required for billing. However, if you've added multiple payment methods, you'll have the option to manage them. Next to each additional method, you should see a Delete button. Simply choose the one you no longer want and click Delete to remove it. And that's really all there is to it. That's how you manage or restore your subscription billing settings in AWS. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.